gear up a little bit. Just basically put something underneath the sensor to get it to where it's level, like a flight profile. Gives you a more accurate reading as well. And got these little throw meters, going to give them a try. I've got a throw meter that I use for everything else, like a digital one, so I'm going to see how close it is to these. Essentially all you have to do is attach them, make sure the line is parallel to your hinge. So I'm just going to take it and do it and basically attach it like there with a little piece of tape, and then you zero it and it should give you your angles. Probably the best thing that this will do for you is make sure everything is, between two surfaces is completely set to the same degree, especially for your stabs and everything. So anyways, that's a pretty long video. I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm home all weekend by myself, so there shouldn't be any excuse to not finish this thing up. Like I said, the only holdup I have really, if I get everything done with flying it, is essentially those leaking gear door cylinders, but they didn't leak this time, so I don't know what's going on with them. I'm gonna have to check them and see if it was just a fluke or something. Make sure nothing come loose on them, because they slam pretty hard when they close. It's not a huge deal if they leak, because hopefully your gear will push them open, but you can't always count on that. And the fact that my brakes are tied into my gear doors, so I have air system just for the gear, and then everything else is tied into the other air system, so I have two kind of air systems. And I thought about putting the brakes on its own air system just in case, but we'll see. See how it goes. But you guys have a good one, and maybe tomorrow in the next video we'll be cranking this thing up and doing some taxiing. So you guys have a good night.